Hello, pals. I just found a great niche, which few people talking about it. Take a look at this video. Don't you think this is the most unique piece of content? And a completely new niche that is few people working on it so far. You will be the first batch ones who will, with courage to try something new, starting to create this content and start out of the competition. Stop creating content that is being suggested by YouTube gurus that already have many people doing so. My channel goal is to continuously explore sustainable and profitable unique niches and step-by-step tutorials for my subscribers. Help my subscribers start working and make money online without investing a single dime. So, in this video, I will show a secret editing method to create such videos without spending a lot of time. And yes, that is my job too. I pick new niche from YouTube, break down the method and share it for free to my audience who subscribe to my channel. So, please help to subscribe and you won't missing any informations from us. Okay, don't waste more time. Let's grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end. Alright, so, first to create these type of videos, we need perfect prompts that create amazing image generation. So here we need to use Chatgpt. Step 1, get prompts. Let's open Chatgpt and input the prompt. Imagine you're crafting creative and detailed prompts for generating hyper-realistic macro photographs. Each prompt should feature a tiny, fantastical character, for example, an elf, fairy, or tiny warrior, riding or standing on the back of different insects. The character has rich expressions, for example, fierce, roaring, cute, etc., and exaggerated movements. Compared with insects, character figures appear very small or tiny. Create a strong contrast, set in varied natural environments with specific lighting and mood descriptions. Include what the character is holding or interacting with to add personality and narrative to each scene. You can use this example as a reference. Hyper-realistic macro shot of a diminutive adventurer in a rugged outfit riding a hairy tarantula holding a glowing compass. The tarantula's fuzzy body contrasts with the adventurer's leather-clad attire. The setting is an arid desert at dusk, with the fading sunlight casting long shadows across cracked earth and scattered rocks, adding a sense of danger and excitement. This will help create the perfect visuals for the video. Don't worry, I've included this complete prompt in the description. You can copy and adjust it as you wish. Okay, there you go. Chatgpt has shown up with amazing, highly detailed and precise prompts. In just a few seconds, these can be directly used in our image generation. If you need more images prompts, just simply ask Chatgpt, give me more or give me more 10 inches, something like that, for get more prompts. By this way, you'll have unlimited prompts for the videos. Alright, pals, let's move to step 2, generated the images. This time, I'm going to show you 3 free AI tools. I will also show you the results from them, so you can choose which one is best for you. Okay, let's start with Leonardo AI first. For free user, you get daily, free 150 tokens to use, and the image quality is pretty good. Choose the Phoenix mode. From the preset style, select auto, and dynamic image dimension setting TikTok 916 for mobile videos. Paste prompt and click generate button, and boom, your image is ready. The result was not bad. Now let's try with another prompt to see how it performs. Look at this images. This is also good. Just take and use too fast. We can't create enough images, we need a day for free user. But if you like Leonardo AI, can update your account to get more takens. Alright, second tool is Kling AI. Kling AI offering free monthly credits, okay? Let's input same prompts to see the results. Aspect ratio also sets 916. Well, here's the results. How are them? So third tool is Piclumen AI. First, open Piclumen AI and sign into your account using your email. Here, I will already log in, so let's move on. On left menu, click on the Create option, paste your prompt, and select last one. Flux 1, the style next. Choose the 916 ratio and set the number of images you want for one prompt. Normally, I choose 2 or 4, so we can choose the best one from it. Of course, if you don't like them all, you can use same prompt to generate again. Now, hit generate, and that's it. It might take a little time, but the results are absolutely worth it. Just look at those images, they're so realistic and cinematic, right? Let's just try it with another prompt. Wow, that turned out amazing, didn't it? Okay, let's show you images with same prompt for these 3 AI tools. Who will win? Alright, in this video, let's focus on Piclumen AI. Repeat the process. Paste, copy, and waiting. Waiting until you get all the images you need. Okay, download all the images to your computer. Alright, so images generation step is complete. Do you know this could be the last time you see my videos? Yes, that's right. If you have not subscribed to my channel, there is a high possibility that YouTube will not suggest my videos on your homepage. Now it's your decision. Fine, let's get back to the video now. Let's move on to the step 3 images to video. This step is optional. If you don't have much time on this, you can skip this step. But this is a full tutorial, ensure you will not miss anything, and you can choose not to do, but I must let you know all. Okay, here I am gonna to make the images to videos, so get more engaging for our viewers. Here I am gonna to using Hailuo AI, open Hailuo AI, and sign up by email. For new user, you have 1,000 credits for first 3 days, and each video costs 30 credits, so you can create enough videos as you need. Just one time, you can just create 3 video in line. Okay, let's create first 3 videos first. Here, the prompt you can leave it blank, or like me input, keep the lens steady. Okay, let's go in waiting. Alright, after waitings, all the videos we need are ready. Let's download them one by one. Okay, now our videos are okay. Let's move on for the final step, editing in Capcut. First, let's go to Pixabay to download a no copyright background music for it. Or you can only download music from YouTube audio library. Then open Capcut and imports the videos and music in it. Here we go, here I just tried it before, so keep in tempo, just replace the videos we just created and add some special effects and animation as you need. After this, export the video. Boom, the video is ready. Let's see the final result. Okay, guys, how do you think? Not bad, right? So, are you ready to create the similar videos? Don't wait and do it now, and create amazing contents constantly. Here's the prompt I used in this video. You can pause the video and copy it. And also you can find the prompt in the description. Well, if you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just comment below. I will try my best to try for you and give you the tutorial. Alright, if my video helps, please help to subscribe and like my channel. For YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok creators, don't expect to become a hit in 1 day, 2 days, or by uploading 1 or 2 videos. We need to constantly update and optimize our videos, as well as constantly learn and try new content, so that you can stand out from the crowd of creators. So don't give up and work together. Okay friends, this video ends here. See you in the next video. Good luck.